Hello everybody and welcome to this video. This video is called the 30-day TikTok challenge and my name is Rawu. So about a month ago on the 4th of February, I started a challenge called the 30-day TikTok challenge. The challenge was about testing the TikTok algorithm and I had a couple strategies. In this video I'm going to tell you about these strategies and my reflections afterwards, after I did the 30-day TikTok challenge. 30-day TikTok challenge is all about me getting as much growth as possible on a TikTok account from 0 followers to whatever I reach. This TikTok account reached nearly 3,000 followers and over 10,000 views a day. Total the account got about 650,000 views on these 30 days and still counting because some of the videos went trending, viral and stuff like that. Let's get to the strategies. Okay, so the first strategy I used was finding a niche. You gotta find a niche where you like to produce content, okay, because it's important. Another big part of this challenge is about consistency. So this is also why you need to like this niche, okay, because if you're gonna post two videos a day, you have to like what you're doing, right? Or at least what you're making content on. So I chose the niche called Rust. So I became a part of the Rust part of TikTok where you upload Rust TikToks only. And as I talked about before, consistency is very important to the TikTok algorithm. If you post twice a day, the TikTok algorithm know that you actually want to push your content out as much as possible. But you also have to post something that's quality, right? You can't just post videos that nobody likes. Because the TikTok algorithm works like this, okay? So they will give your video to a couple of people. And if these couple of people interact with the video, they will send it to more people, right? So videos of quality will generate more views and interaction with your actual video and content in general. Another strategy I used when I finally reached 1K followers was live streaming, while also live streaming on Twitch, okay? So if you live stream yourself playing on your TikTok live, you will also gain viewers on your Twitch channel that will then gain like a picture of you as how you are when you are not just in the video, right? So they will come to your Twitch channel and then they will like comment on whatever you're doing and be like, I was there whenever I post the video and stuff like that. That worked phenomenally. Another huge strategy is networking with your niche, okay? So in the niche that I was building my network in was in Rust. So I was commenting and liking and talking to other Rust content creators to build this network. I made some friendships and it's pretty cool, and I would recommend y'all to, you know, network in your niche. And whenever you get bigger, or if you get bigger, if you don't, hopefully you do, you will eventually start connecting with bigger people like outside your niche, hopefully. Another strategy in this challenge I used was to comment on old comments. I would answer them because that will mean that the person will have to get back to your account to at least look at your comment or maybe answer, right? And the TikTok algorithm actually really likes that because that brings people back to the platform if they wasn't on the platform at the minute or time being that you're actually commenting on their comment. And if we go back to how I talked about people getting to watch your maybe Twitch channel or whatever you're streaming on and gaining a better picture of who you are, you gotta at least plug somewhere in your video another platform than TikTok. This is only about gaining interactions, because if people like know who you are, they're more likely to follow you. Imagine this. You're in the store, you're gonna buy a milk. You're gonna buy a bottle of milk, right? There's the one milk that you know, that you trust, and there's the new discount milk, right? The discount milk might be okay, but you'll probably choose the one that you already know is the good milk, right? That's how this works too. Another good strategy to use is to encourage your viewer to comment or interact with your content in general. This can be by like doing something controversial but not breaking the TOS, the terms of service, of course. But maybe you should do something that you know will lit up the comment section, you know? You can also do this in another way. For example, by putting a question in title. If I maybe like killed 3 people in Rust, because I'm good at PvPing at that point of time, you might ask the viewer in the title, what do you think about my AK spray? Is it good or bad? Right? That encourages the viewer to interact, and by that interaction, the algorithm might push your video forward to other viewers that also talks about this and that. That was the end of the strategies part of this video. Now I'm gonna go over a couple of reflections and comments that I have about doing this. The 30-day TikTok challenge is pretty passively stressing at some point, right? Because TikTok is very addictive, it's a very addictive platform because the algorithm is so good at delivering content that you like. So my For You page is like bombed with Rust TikTok content. And the thing that I'm calling networking, where I comment on other people's videos, quickly become very addictive. You're easily to use a lot of time at just sitting on TikTok doing absolutely nothing, producing no content. And that was an issue for me when I did it. I at least got to edit the content at some point on the day, luckily. With my goals, with 2 videos a day, the quality also went down a bit sometimes, but I kept it at a reasonable level. But sometimes I was like, okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, so I'm just gonna put out some dumb videos, right? But it only happened like once or twice. I don't know, my creativity just kicked ass this month. It was pretty cool. By posting 2 videos a day, I noticed a stable growth. This was actually pretty nice. For somebody who haven't seen stable growth on a platform for a long time, this is pretty cool to see. Every time I post something, I would gain new followers and a lot of likes, right? That's something cool that you won't see at many other platforms that quick, at least. Another thing I noticed when I was doing this challenge was geography means a lot. So if you're a content creator and your account is a content creator account, you will be able to see where your followers are from. I was able to see that a lot of my followers was Danish, but when my videos suddenly blew up, they became American, right? The bigger majority of my followers was American after the big blow up of one of my videos, right? So I would like to say that you have to keep your content in English. If you don't do that, you won't reach like that big of an audience, right? In the beginning, you would only reach like the audience of your area, right? But as a content creator, you want to reach the largest audience as possible, of course, right? So as a reflection of mine, I would say that you should keep your content in English, because you don't know whenever your content is gonna blow up. Exactly. Another good thing to think about when you make content on this platform is like, is this shareable, right? Shareable content is the best content to post on TikTok. Like if it's relatable, if it's like funny or anything like that, you know, people will most likely share it to their friends like, haha, this was funny, and then, you know, share it. This is also really, really, really good for the algorithm, because when you watch the video, if you watch a video on TikTok, you're able to see how many times it's been shared. And this number is also a part of what we talked about earlier about interaction. And as I said, it helps with the algorithm a lot. This was my video on how I used the TikTok algorithm to gain a following of 3,000 people in 1 month from absolutely no followers on a fresh account. As you can see on the stats up here, this was how it started, and this was how it ended. Pretty neat. Hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe, like, follow me. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.